Today I was at a recycling place and I brought back the cabinets of the very cheap crappy Universum speakers, which you've seen in things I got at recycling place number 4, I think. Yes, you've seen them in one of my videos. So I brought back the Universum speakers and I got a pair of other speakers, and that was a really good deal. I threw away a pair of very cheap and crappy and horrible sounding speakers, and I got a pair of really good speakers. So these were made by Canton in 1975, and Canton is a really good German brand. They're still existing over here. I have a pair of Canton speakers made in 2005. They're superb speakers. They're really good. So here I have Canton speakers of the 70s, and let's see. They're the model LE600, 3-way speakers with 4 to 8 ohm impedance, 100 watt of music power, and well, these are technical data you can believe, so these are really 100 watts. Frequency range is from 21 Hertz to 25,000 Hertz, and well, they give you a lot of information on there. The recommended amplifier power is between 30 and 80 watts, and they're made for for rooms that are between 25 and 45 square meters big. So actually my room is too small for these speakers. And they were made in Germany. This is one of the speakers taken apart. And taking apart this speaker was really complicated, because they put the back side onto the housing. They glued it on there and also screwed it on there, so that is really solid. And also the quality of this cabinet is amazing. You can see how thick the wood is. There you can see it's really thick, and they're extremely heavy, really. And already told you, 3 ways. So here we have the woofer, mid-range speaker, and the tweeter. And one thing I like about the woofer is that the surrounds are made of rubber. There are until now I know that there are 3 types of surrounds. They can be made of rubber, like this one, or made of paper, so that the surrounds are actually part of the diaphragm. Or they can be made of foam, and that is really bad, because the surrounds made of foam they really like to fall apart after some years. So most of the speaker with the foam surrounds are gone. They're useless because the surrounds are missing. So these have surrounds of rubber, and so these will last very long. For example, my Bang & Olufsen speakers, and also the Keith speakers over there, they both have surrounds made of rubber. They're still working, and also these speakers are still working, of course. Well, and here we have the electronics. I don't know how you call this. I think you call it crossover. In Germany we call it Frequenzweiche. And you can see contains 5 big coils and a lot of high quality capacitors made by ITT. And there you have the connections. And well, they also put some damping material inside the speakers, which is this material. If you touch it, it doesn't feel very good. It's you know. So well, but there are some problems. As you can see, the previous owners, they put foam onto the speakers. I guess they had it lying like this on top of a cupboard. They didn't want the cupboard to be scratched, and so they glued this stupid foam onto the speaker. They also put these felt stuff on there. These speakers are just having this felt stuff. And well, so I'll have to get that off there. And I think that's going to be very hard to do that. It doesn't really want to come off. So you can see it can just rip off this little pieces. So I'll try now to get that off there, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I have the Canton speakers cleaned, and I ripped off all that foam and felt stuff. And well, unfortunately these speakers are not in the best condition anymore. They have a lot of scratches, and the front sides, which are having such a metal grill, that metal has a lot of dents. So they really don't look that nice anymore. But I think they'll sound pretty good. And so let's hook them up. I already searched for some information in the internet, and I found out that these speakers were built between 1973 and 1978, and from 1973 until 1975 they were the top-of-the-line model of Canton. Then 1975 they built a speaker that was even better than this one. And well, I have already told you, my speakers are from 1975. This is the Grundig receiver. Has a very good radio. Can turn it on. Sounds really, really good. Eight presets right here: mono, auto and manual tuning, FM, medium wave, long wave, headphone jack, tone control. Has the input selector for CD or tape, tape 1, phono, and the tuner, and the volume control. And well, unfortunately, phono and tape 2 or CD are the only RCA jacks on this thing. Tape 1 is a DIN jack. It's really annoying. Here I have a little right here I have a little input selector which is hooked up to the tape 2 input, so that I can hook up the computer, the Kenwood, and the Technics cassette deck. So there you have it, the Canton LE600 speakers and the Grundig R4200. I hope you enjoyed this video.